Every AI model learns, but not in the same way. Some learn from perfect answer sheets, others learns by failing hundreds or even thousands of times. So if both are learning, what's the real difference? In this video, we'll compare supervised learning and reinforcement learning, when to use each one and why confusing them can lead to choosing the wrong solution. Let's start with the basics. Supervised learning trains on a dataset where every input already has the correct output. The model simply learns the relationship between them. Reinforcement learning works very differently. An agent interacts with an environment, takes actions, receives rewards, and gradually learns a policy, a strategy for choosing the best action in every situation. Here's the big difference. Supervised learning focuses on predicting the correct answer, and every prediction gets immediate feedback. Reinforcement learning doesn't know the correct action upfront. It tries something, observes the reward, and improves over many attempts. Instead of learning from labels, it learns from experiences through trial and error. Choosing between them is actually simple. If you already have labeled examples and want accurate predictions, use supervised learning. That's perfect for spam detection, image recognition, or price prediction. But if an AI must continuously make decisions inside an environment, like controlling robots, scheduling resources, or playing games, reinforcement learning is the right choice because the objective is maximizing long-term reward. Think of supervised learning like studying with flashcards. Every question already has the correct answer, so you instantly know whether you are right. Reinforcement learning is more like training a puppy. You never tell it the correct move, you simply reward good behavior. Over time, it repeats the actions that earn more rewards and naturally improves. So here's the one line summary. Supervised learning learns from labeled examples to make predictions. Reinforcement learning learns by interacting with an environment and discovering which actions earn the highest rewards. Remember this simple rule. Labels mean supervised, rewards mean reinforcement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.